So today's gonna be a little quick video. I'm doing a little bit of maintenance on the 2007 Honda Accord V6. Yes, I know about the battery. We're gonna be changing that soon. But today we're gonna change the hood struts on this 2007 Honda Accord. These are completely dead on both sides, being supported by this wonderful piece of engineering right here. And this is what they look like. So basically it's two 10s that hold it into the top of the hood, and this little section right there just clips into the frame right in that corner. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the 10 at the top. Make sure the hood is being supported. You just need to get a flathead screwdriver right between this little metal clip and pry it out. And once you pry it out, the whole thing will just come out together, because this metal clip is what's holding this section into the ball. So when you're putting it back on, this is a new one. As you can see, the clip's already engaged. Here you go, just pry it on and it'll just secure itself. Just an example showing you the ones we took off. As you can see, this is the old one. No support at all, everything leaked out. This is a new one. Just gotta make sure that the correct side you're taking off. So this is the correct side for driver's side. So like I said, the 10 millimeters, just tighten them up. Repeat the same step on the other side and that's it. So just have to repeat the same step on this side. As you can see, the bracket is facing inwards on the car. So same thing on this side, the bracket is facing inwards towards the engine. And this should be the finished product. Hood being supported by the hood struts. And then you just pop the hood again to make sure it works correctly. There you go.